So today I'll be showing you how to screen record your Galaxy Tab A11. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So fortunately, this tablet comes with a built-in screen recorder. So if you just swipe down from the upper right side of your screen to the quick panel and swipe down again, you should see the screen recorder. So tap on that and then it's going to give you this page. Choose what you want to record. If you want to record both the screen and your mic, and if you want to show taps and touches on the screen during the recording, you can enable that, and then you can tap on start recording. It's going to give you a 3-second timer, and now it's going to start recording everything I'm doing and everything I'm saying. Okay, so the screen recording is currently happening, and this is why you control the screen recording. So you can hide this or you can bring it up. You can annotate on the screen recording and draw things and arrows and stuff like that. You could pause the screen recording and then continue, or you can even stop. Now once you stop, the screen recording video is saved to your gallery, so you can always access it by going to the gallery and find that video there. The screen recording is currently happening. Thanks for watching and good luck.